Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a completely free online store without paying for hosting or buying any domain. You don't have to pay any money for your storefront or any renewal, whether yearly or monthly fee. You'll be going to be completely free. You only pay about 1.3% for the payment charges whenever a purchase is made on your store. So it's gonna be completely free and easy to use. So let me show you how it works. So the first thing you have to do here is to go to paystack.com. I'll be putting the link in the description below. And once you get to the paystack.com, you have to click on create free account. Then you need to open a Paystack account. Paystack is a payment gateway or payment any kind of whether you're into e-commerce or you're into freelance, you can actually use it to receive payments in anywhere around the world. But we'll be using this platform to create an online store. Click on this button that says create free account. So once you click on the button, you have to fill in your country, but they are only available now in Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa. But if you are not from Nigeria or any of these countries, you have to click on this other country. You have to put in your business name, can be your storefront name, business name here. So yeah, we put in. So after that, you put in your first name here and your last name. You also be putting your email address. So after that, you have to generate a password for you to use in your account. So if you are a software developer, you have to click on this yes. But if no, you have to click I'm not. But I prefer you click on no. So this will help you set up your account. Click on create my account. So you have to also to your email. You find a link from Paystack. So head over to your email. This is the link. So you have to click on confirm email. It should take you back to the dashboard. So you log in again. So here we are. You have successfully created the Paystack account. So the next thing is for us to add our storefront, which is very easy to do. After that, if you scroll to the bottom here, you see a storefront here, which is new, still new in the platform. Just click on create new storefront. You have to name your store. Call it networkers. So the currency, which currency are you going to be accepting payment from? Since I'm choosing Nigeria as my country, NGN, which is Nigeria Naira, is auto-filled here. So this is our shorten link here. So once you are done with that, click on this create button here. Add a new product here. Click on this button that says create new product. So name your product. So add a description. Already copied this description somewhere. So add a price. Then the product is it limited or unlimited product. So is it a physical goods? As you know, this I'm selling a hoodies here. It might be a bag, it might be an online training. Whatever you want to sell online, you can actually use this platform. So this is a t-shirt. So I mean hoodies. So I have to click on this button, which is I have to deliver physically. So click on next. So add a product image. And click on save. So now go to your delivery section here. So you have to specify your location of your store here. So let's say Lagos. So this fee is the delivery fee which you have to add to your store here. So let's say we charge 2,000 naira for delivery. It depends on you and depend on the location. So let's check our storefront here. This is our store and we only have one product. I don't think I like this color, so I would like to change it. If you want to change it, go to your customize storefront here. You can actually change the color, so I prefer white. So go back, refresh, and you have this, which is very nice. So as I've said, You don't have to pay any money, you don't have to pay anything. This is completely free. You don't have to pay for any hosting using the storefront from Shopify. You have to pay monthly or whether yearly a renewal fee, and you also have to pay some charges whenever the payment is made. So but with this storefront, which is from Spacestack, it is completely free. You don't have to pay any charges. You only pay whenever you make a sales through chargings of the payments, whether your customer use it to pay online. If your customer comes to this storefront, they can only add to bags here or add to carts, how many quantity they want, they add to carts. So once they add to carts, they could see your product here. Can click on checkout, and this is it. So this is the pricing section here. If you go to Paystack slash forward slash pricing, you will see all their pricing here. So they only charge 1.5% on the local charges of an 100 naira plus, which is this for international prices is about 3.9% plus 100 naira charges. Very cheap price you can get. So if you are using Shopify for example, this is very high. So if you need something more dynamic or you need more professional e-commerce site, I will put a link in the description where you can contact a more professional developer to help you out. So that is it, guys. Hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, share and comment your thoughts about this. If you have any issue, also let me know in the comment section.